Morning to all. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. I am Balachandar. Previous class we have derived a formula for finding area of circle, semicircle and quadrant, as well as perimeter of circle, semicircle and quadrant. Today we are going to solve a few problems related on that topic. Before moving to the problems, we shall recall what we have learned in our previous class. Look at the formula. First one, area of a circle, pi r square, square units. Area of a semicircle, it is equal to 1/2 of area of circle. It can be written as 1/2 pi r square, square units. Area of a quadrant, you know that there are 4 quadrant, so 1/4 of area of circle, so it can be written as 1/4 pi r square, square units. Next, perimeter. What is mean by perimeter? Total distance around the boundary, that is called a perimeter, you know that. So perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r units, and you know that pi, which is equal to 22/7, that is the ratio of circumference and diameter of a circle. Perimeter of a semicircle, pi plus 2 into r units. Perimeter of a quadrant, that is pi by 2 plus 2 into r units. These are the formula we have learned in your previous class. Now we are going to solve the problem related to semicircle whose radius is 14 centimeter. The question is, find the perimeter of semicircle whose radius is 14 centimeter. This is the semicircle, you know that this is half of a circle. They have given radius r is equal to 14 centimeter. They are asked to find the perimeter of a semicircle. Solution: perimeter of a semicircle formula, you know that it is pi plus 2 into r units. So I am going to substitute their values. Pi, which is equal to 22/7, so plus 2 into r, which is equal to 14. Okay, so now this is a fraction, this is an integer, so let us find the LCM. LCM is 7, so 22 plus, it should be multiplied by 7, you know that, so 7 into 2, 14 into 14. So now 22 plus 14 is equal to 36/7 into 14. 1 times, 2 times, so 36 into 2 equal to 72. The unit is given by centimeter, therefore perimeter is equal to 72 centimeter. Second question, find the perimeter and the area of a quadrant whose radius is 21 centimeter. So you knew that there are 4 quadrants in a circle. A quadrant has 2 radius, covered by 2 radius and 1 arc length. Am I right? Like radius, and this is arc length. This is a part of a circle, it means segment of a circle. So central angle of a quadrant is 90 degree, you know that, and radius r is given by 21 centimeter. They are asking to find the perimeter and the area. Solution: first, perimeter. Perimeter of a quadrant is equal to, we knew that, pi by 2 plus 2 into r units. This is the formula for finding perimeter of a quadrant. Let us substitute their values. Pi, that is 22 by 7. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into this denominator 2. So 22 by 7 into 2 plus 2, r is 21 centimeter. It is given. Now the LCM is 14. 7 into 2 14. Here denominator is 1. So 14 is the LCM, and 22 plus this 2 into 14 equal to 28 into 21. We can cancel them by 7 table. 3 times, here 2 times. Next, 22 plus 28 is equal to 50. You know that 28 plus 2, 30, 50 by 2 into 3. So 25 times. 25 into 3 is equal to 75 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a quadrant whose radius r is equal to 21 centimeter. And also find the area. Area of a quadrant, which is equal to 1/4 of area of circle. So 1/4 into pi r square. So 1/4 times pi value 22 by 7, or you knew that 21 into 21 square. 1 times, 3 times. If you cancel by 2 table, 2 times, 11 times. So 21 into 3, 63. 63 into 11. 3 ones are 3, 6 ones are 6, 3. 693 divided by 2. 693 divided by 2 is equal to 3 times, 4 times, remaining 1, 6 times, 0.5 centimeter square. This is the area of a quadrant whose radius r is equal to 21 centimeter. Next question. The diameter of a semicircular grass plot is 14 centimeter. So diameter D is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore R is equal to D by 2. It means 14 by 2 gives 7 centimeter. Find the cost of fencing the plot, rupees 10 per meter. So fencing, it means we are going to find the perimeter. Fencing means total distance around the boundary. So they are protect their land. Therefore they are going to fence their plot. So we are going to find the perimeter. If you know the perimeter, you can find the cost of fencing the plot easily. So first, perimeter of a shape. It is in the shape of a semicircle. Perimeter of a semicircle is equal to pi plus 2 into r units. So 22 by 7 plus 2 into r is equal to 7 centimeter. So let us find the LCM, that is 7. So 22, this one denominator 1, if you multiply it by 7, you can get 7. So numerator is also multiplied by 7. So 7 into 2, 14 into 7. This 7 will be cancelled. 22 plus 14 is equal to 36 centimeter. So the perimeter of a semicircular grass plot is 36 centimeter. Cost of fencing per meter. The values are given in meter. The unit is meter. So cost of fencing per meter is rupees 10. So cost of fencing for 36 meter is equal to 36 into 10, which is equal to 360. So he will spend rupees 360 for fencing his semicircular grass plot. I hope you all understand. So fencing means we are going to find a perimeter. Leveling means we want to find a area. The next question. The length of a chain which is used as the boundary of a semicircular park is 36 meter. So boundary of a semicircular park is 36 meter. It means the perimeter of a semicircle is equal to 36 meter. They said clearly. I hope you all understand. By using this case, we are going to find the area of the semicircular park. This is the question. If you know the radius, you can find the area. So now I am going to find the radius of the semicircular park by using the given case. So boundary, the length of a chain is equal to perimeter of a semicircle. Okay. So length of a chain is equal to 36, which is equal to perimeter of a semicircle formula 5 plus 2 into R. I hope you all understand. So 36 is equal to, this pi value is 22 by 7 plus 2 into R. So 36 is equal to, the LCM is 7. So 22 plus 7 into 2, 14 into R. So 36 is equal to 22 plus 14 equal to 36 divided by 7 into R. So what is the value of R? R is equal to, left hand side we have 36. If you take this term left hand side, it becomes reciprocal. So 7 by 36. It will be cancelled. So what do we have? R is equal to 7 meter. So we found the radius of the semicircular park. So now I am going to find area of a semicircle. Which is equal to 1/2 of area of a circle. So 1 by 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into R value is 7 into 7. It will be cancelled. 22 and 2 can be cancelled 11 times. 11 into 7 equal to 77 meter square. So this is area of a semicircle. Actually, the last three problems questions are direct questions. Radius is given, we can find the perimeter and the area. But this question, perimeter is given, they are asking to find the area. So first we should find the radius of the semicircle, and then you can find the area of the semicircle. This term, the boundary of a semicircular park, it helps us to know what is given, because you know the definition of perimeter of a perimeter, definition of perimeter, that is equal to total length of the boundary or total distance around the boundary. So the chain is used as the boundary of a semicircular park. Therefore, we have taken the length of the chain is equal to perimeter of a semicircle. I hope you all understand the problem. Dear students, in this video we have solved some problems related on circle and their parts. It means semicircle and quadrants related problems we have done. I hope you all understand the concepts and you know how to do and how to solve the problems. Learn properly. First you should learn the formula thoroughly, and then you can solve the problem easily. Thank you.